Alright, welcome back. Evan Scoresby here with howtowithevan.com, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install WordPress on your domain name using HostGator. Okay, now if you notice, right above this video there's that example email that you should have received from HostGator, right? And with your account information. In that email it's going to have information for your control panel, your username, and your password to log into it. Okay, so this is very important. You refer back to that email, click on the link where it says your control panel, and then use the username and password to log in. Okay, once you've logged in, you'll be looking at a screen that looks like this: HostGator control panel. Okay, now if you followed the previous steps when you signed up for HostGator the first time, your domain name should already be added into HostGator. Okay, so you can just install the WordPress theme. Okay, but I want to quickly show you if you want to add in another domain name that you have from HostGator, and just how to do that so you can install that WordPress platform. Okay, so if you're adding in a new domain name, you want to scroll down here to the bottom that says domains. Okay, and you want to choose this option right here that says add domain. Now this is going to take you to another screen where you can specify the domain that you want to add in. Okay, so the one I'm going to be doing is racetoretire.net for this example, and automatically fills in this other information, which is fine. Okay, and then you want to put in a password of your choice. Okay, so put in a password. I'd recommend something strong. Okay, so remember what that password is too, because you may need it later. And then once that's done, you just have to hit add domain. Okay, and that domain has now been added. Okay, and it's going to come up here and confirm it has been created, and the FTP account has been created. Okay, great. So that is done, and that's all you have to do. Okay, so to use this domain name, we're going to go back to home up here at the top left, and now we're going to install the WordPress platform on that domain name. But I want to confirm that domain name is actually listed here. So down here I'll scroll down here on the left hand side, and right here it'll show all of my domain names, and there it is, racetoretire.net, which is good. Then I'll scroll back up here to the top, and then I'll choose this option right here that says get started with WordPress today. Okay, so I'll click that option. It's going to come up and do a quick install. Now it's going to give you different options where you can get some premium options for $99, $200, or $400, which if you want to go through and see if that would be beneficial to you, you're more than welcome to do that. But you can install WordPress for free. You don't have to get those premium options if you don't want to. To install WordPress, so you're going to click right here. Alright, so you want to choose the domain name. So from the drop down button here, you're just going to find this domain name right at the top. Okay, and I usually just leave this blank. You don't have to put anything in here. Just choose the domain name, and then put in your email address. So whatever email address that you want associated with it. Put in the blog title, which is usually just the name of your domain. And then you want to put in an admin user. Okay, so this is your username to log into your blog. Okay, and so you want to write this down and remember what it is. But in the examples above and in this module, I usually just put admin to keep it safe. Okay, and then you want to put in your first and last name. And then once that information is all set, you just click install WordPress. And it's going to come up here and say, try to get you to upsell and buy a theme. You can just exit that out. Okay. Once your install has been complete, it'll say here at the top, your installation is complete. Click here to view your notifications. Now this is important. Okay. So here's my notifications. It's going to have your admin area. So this is the website that you go to log into your account. This is the username, and this is the password. Don't worry, this password has been changed, so you're not going to be able to log into my account, but you want to make note of this information. Okay, so I'm going to just copy and paste this into a notepad so I have it later. Okay, so pull up my thrifty notepad. So there I have it. Okay, and that is done. Your login and your setup has been complete on your WordPress platform. If you want to verify that you can log in, it might take a few minutes to come in, but just go ahead and click on the website here, and if it takes you to the login screen, it's been complete, but it hasn't yet, but it will in just a few minutes. And so once that has been set up where you can log in, you're good to go to log into your blog and start customizing it and setting it up, and you're good to go. Well, hope you found that information valuable, and if you do have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.